How to make no one can add you to groups on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can add you to groups on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find accounts and then click privacy, and here you will find it. Scroll down, you will find groups, click on it and click my contacts, accept, and now just this one in the top corner, click on it. You will find it like that.
And
All you need to do
that's
is just
it for
click on it.
today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.